love having you here. Emilio.
Hello po sa ating mga kaibigan dito sa media. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta na dito sa MediaCon ng tayo sa wakas. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat. How about you, River?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Ako po si River Joseph and unang-una maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo today and hopefully we enjoy today. Ayun lang po.
And we shall enjoy today. Hindi po ako magkasawa na sabihin na isa pong karangalan talaga na makasama ang nag-iisang Joros Gamboa. Dito, Joros, you wanna say hi to everyone?
Salamat, Robin. Gusto ko lang sabihin na isa ka sa pinakamagaling na host dito sa Pilipinas. Pakiramdam ko nga, ikaw na yung papalit kay Kuya George.
Diyos ko po.
Sa ganung level. At sa lahat ng kasama natin dito, sa ating mga nagagandahan at nagagwapuhang mga taga-press at sa media, ako po ay tatakbo, joke lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ito ulit yung chance para maibalik natin ulit ang mga Pilipino sa sinehan po.
Big big revelation for you, and big commitment as well. Diba? How about you, Sir Epi?
Good afternoon, guys. Good to see familiar and new faces this afternoon. Mag-enjoy tayo.
Thank you, Sir Epi. Direk, we missed you.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Thank you sa ating mga kakampi sa media, sa lahat na nanonood online. Yes, today is gonna be a fun day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Pwede mo may tissue?
Bakit po?
Pagkatabi ko talaga to, tinula. Nakakatawa.
Maghingi po tayong tissue, okay? Especially later on we'll have that big emotional moment. Abangan niyo po yan, mga kapamilya. Now, before we go to Donnie and Belle, I just wanna ask, I know it's summer right now, mainit talaga yung panahon. Is that part of your character or talagang gusto mo lang magpagupit?
Umaming ka!
Well, we're still shooting now.
Oh, okay.
So,
Okay.
Alam ko na yun.
Okay.
Bagay naman, di ba, Ro?
At lahat ng hairstyle bagay sa kanya.
mas gwapong hairstyle mo, opa na opa eh.
Nagpalit lang tayo. Ito yung sa trailer nakita ko eh. Gagayahin ko yung buhok ni Donnie doon sa poster. Okay? But you wanna say hi to everyone first, Donnie and Belle?
Yes, hello po to our friends na media. Thank you guys so much for taking the time. Finally, nandito na po tayo sa MediaCon. And of course, to our brands who've been supporting us. And sa mga supporters natin, everyone watching online. Thank you so much.
Hello to our press and media. How are you guys? Okay naman po. Sana po enjoy natin tong evening na to. Ayan.
Direct?
Hindi, aminin na natin totoo. Donnie did this for the film. I asked him to. Noong una, syempre, andun yung fear. This is the first time he's ever done this in his entire life. And I admired him for doing this for the film.
And if I'm not mistaken, they have these two people that we have, Donnie and Belle. They have done a lot of things for this project na hindi pa nila ginagawa before. Like what Direk mentioned, talagang buong puso at kaluluwa ang binigay nila. In fact, if it's okay to mention, I think it's okay. You guys are producers as well for the movie that we have.
Oh, nasa poster pangalan nila eh.
Oo, yan. At least, klaro lang lahat. Ibang klaseng dedication itong binigay nila Donnie Pangilinan and Belle Mariano for this project. And now, we move on to one of the biggest surprises that we have for all of our kapamilyas, including our cast right now. For weeks, audiences have been sharing theories, various reactions, and a lot of feels after seeing our announcement teaser and posters. But today, we finally get a deeper glimpse into the story of Cisco and Cheska. And mind you, mga kapamilya, when we showcase this big surprise, this gift that we're about to give you right now, this will make it a little bit more real and I'm sure a little bit more emotional. So, si Direk naghahanda na ng tissue na and I suggest you would do the same because we are so ready. My question is, kapamilya, are you ready? Are you ready? Finally, we are releasing the trailer of Tayo sa Wakas. Watch this. Everyone has been saying in this studio, I'm sure you guys are all fidgety. So excited, ibang-ibang emosyon ang nararamdaman natin, di ba? Pero bago natin tanungin yung cast, why don't I do something different, no? Tanungin muna natin yung ibang mga friends from the media on how they felt when watching that world premiere of trailer na Tayo sa Wakas. Okay, let's ask this person. Since naka-white kayo, sir, can you tell us your name for the benefit of everyone watching? And let me know your feels while watching the official trailer. Bakit hindi ikaw? Ang dami nating katanungan na sila ba magiging hanggang dulo o hindi? Ano ba? What's your name, brother?
I'm Franco po.
Franco from what meet?
Huwag niyo na po talongin.
Oh, okay. Sir Franco?
Yeah.
Starts with a letter na lang.
Siya bulong pa nila.
Okay, bulong na lang later. Oh, sige. Sir Franco, while watching the trailer, anong naramdaman mo?
Ang sakit.
Ang sakit.
Oo.
Nakarelate ka ba in different level? On different
Alam
levels?
mo talagang ano siya, blockbuster. Kasi naka-wig si Belle.
And si Tony!
Yan ang secret ni Direk Cathy. Lahat ng leading ladies niya naka-wig. At yun, blockbuster yun.
Yeah, okay. Part of the formula
Part of the
of
formula.
Cathy
Part of
Garcia.
Star Cinema formula.
Yeah.
It's very, alam mo talagang masakit ni Hapde. Kaya alam ko magugustuhan na ng fans and also casual viewers. Kasi alam natin na casual viewers, ang gusto nila ay lagi silang masasaktan.
Yan, tama.
Yun, gusto nila lagi silang umiiyak pagkatapos ng manood sa sinihan. So, I hope they will watch the film.
This will be a great film. Thank you so much. So much, Franco. Diba? Okay. Finally, bulong mo lang sa akin kung anong media outlet. Oh, okay. Ay, ako. Finally, my big revelation. I will keep that secret to a group, okay? Okay, how about, this France. Of course. Sa mga words natin. France, how did you feel?
Hi guys! Ayun. Ang bigat. Kasi parang sa for someone na nasubayban sila from this into her going here, parang ang tagal kasi for me parang ang tagal namin hinintay itong movie na to na yung maturity nila, we've seen them grow from here. Tapos isa sa category siya sa Pana Film. So parang meron kang wakas na ba talaga to? Parang are we really here? Saka parang may yung mga eksenang lagi namin winuwish sana may ganito, sana may ganyan. Parang dito, ibinigay nila sa amin lahat yung Saka this is, I believe baka parang award-winning for them. This will be their award-winning.
Big words.
Red pressure na. And then congrats guys, sabi ko.
We'll keep the questions later, okay, Miss France? I'm sure you are so excited for that to happen, and we as well, okay? Before we get to our Q&A, na syempre meron si France no namaya. I wanna ask you guys, this is your first time watching the trailer. How did you guys feel? Ano bang tumatapos sa isipan nyo? Knowing that you guys came from somewhere, a big shoot, di ba? Then diretso kayo dito and watching this one na malapit na yung palabas sa sinehan.
It's real. Yun. Na dito na tayo and we're finally sharing a piece of our film. Because a lot of people have been wondering when we'll be giving out snippets. Kasi wala pa talaga, di ba? So, we're just very happy that finally we got to include this already. And tama ka, Kuya Robs, galing kaming shoot. Parang kami nasa portal minsan. Papasok kami, magiging Cisco, Cheska, tapos lalabas. Ngayon kailangan namin nag-promote and then babalik sa portal. So, you know, it's a lot of mixed emotions. seeing this. And I'm just glad that we get to spend it with this whole cast and everyone here sa press who's been very supportive throughout me and Belle's journey, you know, all these years.
How about you, Belle? You're getting emotional.
Hindi.
Are you okay?
Wala pa. Hindi pa
Okay,
tayo.
wala pa.
Mamaya.
Wala pa.
Ang siguro watching it, parang sabi ko, oh my God, mahirap kumalas. Even after siguro matapos namin i-film tong movie, ang hirap kumalas, you know? But seeing it now, I'm just very excited talaga na mapanood lahat and makita nila yung story ni Cisco and ni Cheska.
Yes, Direk? Oh, Direk is gonna say something.
Ako po talaga nata sa mag-react, sabi ko ayoko. But after watching, sabi ko ang damot ng trailer.
In what sense,
There is
Direk?
so much more in this film than meets the eye. Yung nakita nyo, sobrang ang damot talaga na parang patikim, and yet, naramdaman ko. Diba? Naramdaman ko kung ano yung gusto namin sabihin. But, yun lang, parang sinasay ko, hindi nga to trailer para sa akin, para sa teaser. Kasi talagang tinitease kayo kasi there is so much more in the film.
Direk, gusto niyo kausapin natin yung mga
Hindi ka
gumawa ng
kasali sa
trailer?
usapan.
Tatawag natin, ba't ang damot niyo raw?
Ay, nako, another discussion.
Dapat a beautiful trailer at that, no? Kasi, pero mo wala kang binigay and yet, you felt something. Ay, that's worth something.
Yeah. Miss Van, I just wanna ask you, so, Miss Van, ako na naman. No, really, how does it feel na your creation is now coming to life and now nakita natin yung trailer for that, this big project of Star Cinema?
Nung sinabi mong creation, ano yung creation? Ang tumatak sa isip ko nung sinabi mong creation, silang dalawa. Kasi they began with me. And in a way, di ba, their journey as a love team is coming to a pause. I don't want to say an end kasi for now, di ba? So, ang saya nung feeling na kasama nila ako dito sa stop na to. Kasi nga, sa akin sila nagsimula. So, sabi ko nga, kaming tatlo rin pala sa wakas. Tayong tatlo rin pala sa wakas. So,
Full circle.
natutuwa ako nung nakikita ko talaga yung trailer kasi ang laki ng pinagbago nila mula nung una ko silang nakasama. And yun, so sana po talaga panoorin nyo kasi ibang-ibang Donnie at Belle ang mapapanood nyo at paano sa mga fans nila, super mapaproud kayo sa kanilang dalawa. Hindi sayang lahat ng panahon, lahat ng pagmamahal, lahat ng effort na binigay nyo para dito sa dalawang pinakamamahal idol. So yun, nakakatuwa lang na nakita ko sila, ibang-iba sila.
Yes, Jonas.
Gusto ko lang idagdag yung road trip nila
Oh.
with Miss Van. Yung journey nila with Miss Van. Para talaga, nagmamatch.
Saktong-sakto, pun intended.
Ito rin ko lang nasabi kanina.
Kaya pala gusto ng tissue ni Direk kasi hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng emotion, tatawa ba, iiyak, yung mararamdaman, all sorts maybe in this film, no? But just like what Miss Franz said a while ago, you guys started. And easy to her.
At sino nag-host ng MediaCon namin?
I did that. I did that via Zoom.
Via Zoom,
Salamat,
yes!
Grabe
And now,
Grabe.
yung big announcement nyo that this probably might be the last project for now of Donnie and Belle. We're here again. So, full circle moment for everyone involved in this media launch. So without further ado, you guys ready for the Q&A? It felt like a pageant. So let's begin. Okay, and we shall start with the question coming from Nika Sabio from Push ABS-CBN, and this goes out to Donnie and Belle. What new aspects of yourselves did you discover while portraying your characters?
Taas na ako.
Yes.
Ako po, ang dami ko pang dapat tutunan. At ang matutunan, di ba? Si Direk na to. Ang dami ko pa dapat matutunan. Sobrang dami kasi ang lalim-lalim ng characters namin dito. Sobrang intricate. And it made me understand so much more about love.
Oh, wow. How about you, Donnie? Big words yan, ah.
Kaya nga eh. I think in order for you to reach the character of Cisco, I really learned to open up and to reach a side to myself that's vulnerable, super vulnerable, na hindi ko ata naranasan pa. Pero kasi kailangan yun sa depth ng character niya. And yun, nalaman ko na if you really are just honest with yourself and your feelings, mapupuntahan mo yun. Yeah.
And just hearing you guys talk, probably ito na yung pinakamalaki, pinaka-complicated, complex characters na tinake nyo. Kasi before, maraming characters kayong kampanan. Pero ito na ba yung pinaka-kakaiba? Pinaka-mabigat?
Yes, kasi ano siya eh, different sides, different stages of a relationship. So if you go through all of that, diba, in a journey, you'll start with the kilig, you'll start with the honeymoon phase, and then you'll go to the realization that you become, you know, familiar with each other, tas doon na yung mga problems na mag-arise. So I think it's a combination of all our characters in different stages of their life.
You go through different seasons of love.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.